Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting prerequisites ready. Charge the Redmi Watch 5 active above 20% and power it on so pairing can start. Open the Xiaomi Wear or Zepp Life app on your phone and grant Bluetooth plus location access, because the app needs both to discover devices. Once done, make sure phone Bluetooth is on and keep devices within 1 to 2 meters. Tap Add Device in the app, select Smartwatch, then choose Redmi Watch 5 active. When it appears, tap to initiate the pairing handshake. After the app detects the watch, you must confirm the pairing code. Compare the numbers shown on watch and phone, then accept the pairing request on both devices to establish a secure link. Next, grant permissions for notifications, contacts, and health data. This allows calls, messages, and activity tracking to flow. Then select Initial Sync options, pick a watch face, enable continuous heart rate or sleep tracking if wanted, and let the phone upload profiles and firmware. This ensures features and settings match and data transfers correctly. Finish by allowing the full sync and any firmware update to run uninterrupted. Do not force close the app during this process because interrupted updates cause issues. Once complete, check notification previews and health metrics on the app dashboard to confirm data flow. If pairing fails or data won't sync, try a restart of both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and repair. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the watch and repeat pairing. This clears stale pair records and usually resolves persistent connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.